Hello all. We are going to view sensors parameters. Measured temperature value can be shifted up or down by using sensor compensation value. As an example, if entered value is 10, measured temperature will be increased by 1. Actual temperature internal value can be sent cyclically or cyclically and by change of measured temperature. Temperature value can be received from an external temperature sensor directly or partially according to selected percentage. Measured humidity value can be shifted up or down by using sensor compensation value. Humidity. Internal value can be sent cyclically or cyclically and by change of measured humidity. Humidity value can be received from an external humidity sensor directly or partially according to selected percentage. Measured carbon dioxide value can be shifted up or down by using sensor compensation value. Carbon dioxide internal value can be sent cyclically or cyclically and by change of measured carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide value can be received from an external carbon dioxide sensor directly or partially according to selected percentage. Eclipse thermostat can define 3 states according to measured carbon dioxide value for air quality. These are good below threshold 1, satisfactory between threshold 1 and 2, poor above threshold 2. Thresholds can be selected as default or user can define the thresholds. Poor level switching value can be enabled. Object will send air quality is poor, alarm when measured carbon dioxide value is higher than threshold 2. Object value can be inverted. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.